Denmark is globally known for its high-quality research and development, specifically within the pharma, biotech, food and cleantech sectors. Unibio is a cutting-edge company in the biomanufacturing industry, a perfect example of a company that benefits from having its R&D located in Denmark. They convert methane gas into a protein product, addressing the global problem of scarce protein resources.
All over the world, you have methane as a waste product. Now, instead of just burning all of this methane, you can turn this methane into food.
Unibio has teamed up with a leading international knowledge institute within bioengineering and fermentation, the Technical University of Denmark.
We are basically embedded with the university. They have created all of the necessary infrastructure to support industrial fermentations.
The Technical University of Denmark excels in collaborating with industry and was the only Nordic university listed on Reuters' World's Most Innovative Universities ranking in 2018.
The Science Park at the Technical University of Denmark houses more than 150 companies, a mix of both Danish and foreign.
When you start out as a company, you can't afford setting all of this infrastructure up yourself. So it's really key to be able to tap into such infrastructure, but also all the know-how, knowledge, building up a bioindustrial player.
The close collaboration between academia, industry and the public sector is very, very unique to Denmark, and this is really attractive for business.